Okay, here we have a 1979 280ZX. It's the first year of the 280ZX. This thing is beautiful. Okay, and here's the interior. How many miles you got on it again?
10,000.
10,000 miles on this. Beautiful. Okay, here we have a 2006 Aston Martin V8 Vantage. This is absolutely beautiful. It's got the 4.3 liter V8, fuel injected, 380 horsepower. Hey, here we have a 1991 Nissan Figaro. I have never seen one of these cars before. Okay, it's got the right side drive. Okay, there's the interior. And you got a sunroof on the top. Alright, here's the back side. Okay, here we have a 1967 Aston Healey.
Yes, you did. Oh, yeah. Somebody ran up.
Okay. I'm singing Avanti.
I think that's why I need to have a thing to kind of give it a pump out the gas mileage a little bit.
Whenever like 13 or 14, like my family.
I like the
I've done something to it.
Okay, here's a 1978 Volkswagen Super Beetle convertible. And there's information on it. Look at that white interior. Okay, here's the interior. This is one thing I didn't notice the first time I taped this. This car has AC. Very rare. One of 25. Okay, here we have a Volkswagen bus camper.
You can tell me down, I'll be fake goes in every place I find. I break the molds with Red Bull's mind.
Beautiful. Look at that interior.
Born out, you can change me. You can tell me down, I'll be fake goes in every place.
Man, this thing must be fun to ride. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, here's a 1964 Triumph. Convertible. It's a TR4. Look how much room you have underneath that hood to work on it.
You're talking about somebody who's like me or me, right?
Okay, here we got the interior.
You have a Mark 1? You have a Mark 1?
I think he pointed it out.
I wanted to buy the Aston.
Okay, here's a 1970 MGB. Okay, here we have a row of Porsches. It's probably about eight or so. We'll start off with this red one here. 1964 Porsche. Model 356C Coupe. That red really pops out here.
Well, if you guys get hot, I have some chairs in the shade behind the Aston.
Okay, here's the interior. Okay, here's the engine bay. Hey, here's a 1963 Porsche. Silver. It's another 356B. Nice.
You know, if you park these two together overnight in the garage, in the morning you'll have a Volkswagen too.
Okay, here we have a 97 Mini Cooper. I love this thing, man. This thing is awesome.
Everyone thought we were crazy too. I was like, no way.
Okay. No. It's like the
Okay. I love this little buggy. This is beautiful. 1960 Aston Healey. Just look at that interior in the dash. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, here's a 1955 Jaguar XK140. Look at that engine bay. Okay, here's a 1970 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Man, that's getting hot. Okay, here's a 1969 Jaguar E-Type. It's pretty blue. Okay, here is a 1958 Aston Healey 100-6 BN6. And there's your engine bay. Okay, here's a 1961 Aston Healey. Okay, here's a 2018 F-Type Jaguar. Okay, here's a 1959 Lotus. It's actually for sale, $99,500. nice. The interior, look at the size of that steering wheel. Red seats with gray carpeting.